i35equipment.com. Today we're checking out some new manual thumbs we just got in stock. These are custom built manual thumbs. They're 18 by 62. They have 4 tines with serrated teeth. We're calling them MT1862 as a stock number. We do have some in black and some in yellow. They are very limited amount available. You can see our full and up-to-date inventory online of thumbs, buckets, and consignment heavy equipment at www.i35equipment.com. These thumbs are designed for a 40 to 55,000 pound machine roughly, and they're universal fitment. That means as long as they fit on your stick, they're designed to fit with your machine. Now, that is go ahead and say the disclaimer. It's better to have it fit to where it touches the tip of the teeth of your bucket. And if you had a really tall bucket where we're going to fall inside of it, you probably want to go for a taller thumb. As you can see, there's 3 different pinholes on the stick to adjust how far you want away from your bucket. For if you're grabbing all the time or grabbing bigger things versus grabbing smaller things. These are fantastic, pretty much making 2 machines out of 1 with your excavator. So you're not only just digging with this excavator, now you're able to clamp against this for grabbing, sorting, loading, all sorts of great things. Appreciate you taking time to watch. That's all. You see our full and up-to-date inventory of thumbs, buckets, and more online, www.i35equipment.com. Have a great day.